Hello, good day to you and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be walking you through how to withdraw dollars from your Risevest app to Nigerian bank account. To withdraw dollars from your Risevest account to your Nigerian bank account, you have to have a registered bank account with Nigerian banks. So once you have tapped into your screen, into your app, on your home screen just below the dashboard, you will see several options. You tap into the invest button. So this will take you to the page where you have your plans. So you select the active plan you wish to withdraw from. After you have selected that, you tap withdraw and enter the dollar amount. Then you confirm the request to move the funds into your USD wallet. There is a 5% breaking fee if the locked plan is not up to the maturity date. So after you have withdrawn your money into your USD wallet, so it is now left to how you withdraw from your USD wallet to your Nigerian bank. So what you do is, under the same page, you look below the screen and you see wallet. You tap into the wallet. So this wallet is going to take you through where you have your funds, either the USD wallet or the Nigerian naira wallet. So you tap the USD wallet. After selecting the USD wallet, you tap withdraw. Choose withdraw to bank account. Then you select your bank account and enter amount. So after you have tapped the amount, you have to review the exchange rate and confirm your transaction. So review the summary page showing the real-time USD to naira conversion rate, that's equivalent to Nigerian amount, and processing fee. There's going to be a processing fee, that's a standard Nigerian processing fee, that's 15 naira for bank transfer. So after doing that, you tap confirm and enter your transaction PIN or whichever verification you have used for authorization of payouts. Thank you.